Hey my friends, welcome back to Opimation, hope you are well. This video is carrying on from my hobby of the airbrushing, so this is the third installment in that video. I'm adding highlights and it's really starting to come together now, the model, so you can see my process through that, how I go from shadows to midtones to highlights. And yeah, let's dive straight in. I'll put some more animation videos out coming out soon next week, but I also want to share this lovely hobby that I have, and I hope some of you may even take it up. Alright guys, so enjoy the video. Okay, so the final highlights. Now we're going to do a fresh airbrush. We're going to dry this. Okay, we're going to add the flow improver. Then we're going to add the previous color that we were using. We'll put that in 1, 2, 3, and we'll use the cadmium skin. Oh, 1, 2, let's try that much. Yeah, let's mix this up. This is going to be our extreme highlight. So this is going to be very, we have to be very delicate with this one. So if we push this back, very light. So let's test this. As you can see, it's coming out light. So we're going to be very delicate, really. Oh, the good thing about this is you'll be able to see it straight away. Right, we don't want to lose that orange too much. We want this right at the high point. That's it. We just want it at the high point. We don't want to lose the orange. We don't want to lose it too much. So right on the high bit. That's fine. Knuckle area. Forearm. Right where it's high, right there. That's it. Nowhere, no more else. That's it. Just right there. Don't want to lose that orange too. Nice tricep highlight there. That's all we want right there. Just in the middle. So we've got the nice contrast happening there. Looking good, how we want it. Feet as well. Just at the top. There you go. It's a little overspray there, but that's all right. We can sort that out. Back here. So that's looking how we want it. Nice highlights, sharp highlights there. You could go a bit sharper because the wash will bring it back. Elbow too. Get a bit of sharp highlight on the elbow. Yeah, that's looking all right. That's looking all right. So we're getting it. We're getting how we want it. Just add a bit more of that highlight in the middle there. Make the bicep pop out. There. Now the last and final highlight which we'll add, and that is just using the cadmium skin. All right, guys. For this last highlight, we'll just do same again. I'm going through the same process as you can see throughout this whole series of videos. I'm just adding this highlight now. So as you can see, what I do is I mix the two colors to the previous colors, add the highlight, and then I use the color on its own to add the final highlight. Bright, yeah? So we have to be very, very delicate with this. We just want it right. We barely, it's just air. It's just air, look, air. Slightly pushing the trigger back, there, woo, that's it, see, slightly, woo, that's it, air, that's all it is. Light and then dark going down, that's all you're doing. Bicep, middle, bicep, middle, shoulder, in the middle. All it is. Very simple, very simple. Forearm, knuckles, just the high areas, that's all we're hitting now. That's all we're hitting. High areas, knuckles, elbow. You can use your finger to just indicate the paint coming out in the elbow, tricep. We add a bit on the tricep here, right on the back, sticky where it's sticking out, and the other muscles too. Not too much, you know, we want these muscles to pop when the wash comes. So tricep head, as usual, rear delts, you could add a bit there. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Don't need much at the top there, that's fine. Red, we can keep that as ab area, elbow. Okay, so that is more or less most of it done. So that is how you base coat, mid-tone and highlight. Now the highlights might look a bit extreme, but once we wash it, gloss the model and wash it, it will bring everything back down, and then we'll give it a dark wash. That's why it's good to go a bit lighter, a bit more extreme than you would normally, because then the muscles will pop. So a little bit light there. Could have left that, but never mind. But yeah, that's fine. You don't want to keep playing around with it too much, because then you lose it. But everything looks all right there. But this area could have a little bit more there. Maybe just there. Right. All right. So now what we'll do, we'll gloss varnish it, and then we'll let that dry, and then we'll give it a wash. And then that's how you would base coat. And then finally, we'll show you everything. We'll just paint all of this black again, and then we'll move on. In the next course, we'll do the painting with the brush to get more details. But the basic basis of painting the miniatures done in airbrush, the skin tones. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.